You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. You are talented, you are skilled, but you're still broke. Here is the harsh truth. Skills alone do not make you rich. It is who you serve with the skills that matter. And if you miss this secret, you are going to keep grinding with no result. Guys, you're welcome again to Mayowa Owolabi TV, and Mayowa Owolabi is right here. I want to welcome you. If this is your first time, you want to click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell, because a lot of value is being uploaded on this channel every single week. And guess what? You don't want to miss out on that. Let's get to it. So let me break this down for you. I know several people who are designers, writers, coaches, programmers, any skill, but they are still struggling. The reason why they struggle is because of the type of audience they service. Who you serve matters. And a good example is Joseph in the Bible. Joseph served prisoners. Joseph served in the house of Potiphar. But guess what? Immediately he served the king of the nation. It was a premium service that gave him the premium reward. You must understand that this is very critical for you to succeed. Having a good skills is like the first entry level. Working on your target audience, the type of audience that you serve, is now like the second and the next level that makes your skill being established, and you can make that your kind of money that you really want to make. So when you have a good skill and you're serving the wrong audience, it's like a Ferrari truck that is being stuck in a Lagos traffic. He has a fast engine, but he cannot move because of where he is right there. That is how a lot of people are stuck. They have a good skill, but they do not serve the right audience. Here's another thing you need to know. The rich are not very skillful. They are only strategic. They have a way of strategically positioning themselves with a lot of amazing people in their network. Now, imagine you are in a midst of an association where everyone among them are multi-millionaires, and you come up with an idea where an expert can render the skill. You are just the one connecting them to the expert. You would make so much money. So you want to get this right straight, that the rich people know that who they serve matter than what they serve. Who you're serving is very important. And you want to sit down to build this type of audience, have them in your network, because that will determine the amount of money you're going to make. As a financial freedom coach, I've been able to help people with skills to be able to scale up, open them up to a new market shift that change their businesses. And I've done this over and over again. And I've seen that this is always the major challenge when it comes to a lot of people that are skillful. You want to sit down, do a research, and ask yourself, this product that I have, this skill that I have, this service that I'm rendering, who are the people that needs it? Number two, where do these people stay? Number three, how do they see things? Now, the more you put all of these right questions together, you will now be able to answer and look for those people wherever they go, wherever they meet. You have to be among them so that you can leverage on the network and increase your value. So you must understand this, that when you serve people that have money, when you sell to people that have vision, your value will naturally skyrocket. Lately, I was seeing the result of a man called Woody. He's showing on my screen right now. And you see the latest building he just opened. And I'm asking myself, this is a multi-billion naira project, and this man is a fashion designer. He is a fashion stylist. How could he have this skill and build this kind of project? Can I help you today? The answer is the people that he's serving. This man has been serving governors. This man has been serving presidents, international presidents. He is able to influence them to do more business with him because of his style of delivery and the excellent experience he's bringing on the table. Guess what? If you check well, he's not even the one sitting to sew those clothes. Why? Because he now has experts who sew those clothes. He just uses his experience to bring in the business, and that is how he has built this multi-billion project. So as a skilled person, you want to be deliberate about the people that you're serving your skill so that you can earn well and stop struggling. So here is the formula for you to scale up as a skilled person. Number one, you must clarify your skill. What do you know how to do best? You have to be deliberate. You must answer those questions. If you have that, I want you to type that in the comment section right now. What do you do best? That is where everything starts from. Number two, identify your ideal client. You want to be able to say to yourself, what problem am I solving and how much am I going to charge them for this service that I'm rendering? You see, the type of solution you come up with will also determine how much you're going to charge the people that you are serving. So let me give you an example. You are a plumber. You've been able to know more about water treatment. If you're rendering the service to people who are not living in a luxury apartment, that can be an issue because they are not bothered about water treatment. They strongly believe that water is good. The type of water they are drinking is good. But when you look forward to people who live in a luxury apartment, you understand that they are more conscious of the kind of water they drink. So this is how to identify your ideal customer. Number three, position for value. Don't compete on price. Compete on transformation. I use this a lot. I am not after people paying me big money. I am after them getting the end result. When people get the end result, when people are excited about the result they are getting, they will pay you any amount of money. So don't just go after people giving them high prices. Go after competing with the transformation, which is the end goal the customer is after. Number four, package with purpose. Your offer, the skill, what you're delivering should screen the result. Let them know that that is what you want them to achieve. Number five, build relationship. People don't just buy skills. People buy trust. As a skilled person, you want to master your delivery process from the beginning to the end, that your customers, the people you are going to serve, will not have any challenge or issues dealing with you. People buy trust. They want to believe that what you're telling them to buy is worth it. They want to believe that what you're telling them to buy is what they want to buy, and they are buying because you said it. So they are not buying because they cannot get it anywhere else. They are buying because you are the one that you are saying they should buy it. So it's all about trust. Build the relationship and you can make endless money. Hey guys, as I round up, you must know that you are not broke because you are not good. You are broke because you are invisible to the right people. The right people are waiting for you. The right people need that skill. The right people long to connect with you. You have to follow what I've shared with you on this video, implement them, and you are going to be good to go. Comment, serve strategically if you have learned something in this video. And if you have any question, comment it. I will reply on how you can I will reply with answers and steps to execute. I'm really excited to bring this for you. Don't forget to share this video if this has helped you and you have learned a lot. like the video, share, help the algorithm to share this to other people so that we can help other people succeed. I look forward to your success. My name remains Owolabi. Peace out, guys.